Hi guys, so this is the next video in the chapter 11 series. So today we'll be looking into how wholesale trade takes place. Wholesale, the sale of goods in bulk to the purchasers who purchase with the intention of resale. The party that does this is known as the wholesaler. Let's look into the characteristics in a wholesale trade. Purchase of goods for the purpose of resale. Sell goods in bulk. Provide trade discounts. Storage of goods in large quantities, conduct of sales promotional activities, services provided by the wholesaler to the producer, purchase of products in bulk or batches, provide information about the market, provide services like facilitating them with financial matters and help them to obtain raw materials, etc. To the retailer, supply goods in bulk, provide trade discounts, deliver the products directly to the retailer store, provide loan facilities, engage in storing of goods, packing them, etc. So that's it with this video guys. Please do like and share to learn and let others learn. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.